Right, well, today's the day I'm going to put up one of my new artworks, and because I bought it to make my home office look pretty nice, it's going to go here. Let me flip the camera around. It's going to go there above my desk so that I can see it when I'm looking. But this is the problem that I have. So it's you've probably got one of these drawers at home like I have. It's the where did I put everything junk drawer. So I've got scissors, tape measure, God knows what that is, tape that can't be used for anything useful. Look, Tipp-Ex from the 90s, double-sided tape. Aha, that's what I need. Command strips. See, the useful drawer is useful. Oh look, I've got Araldite. Ah, who knew? I had a glue gun. This is the painting that I'm going to put up. It's not actually really a painting. This is by Alexander Korza Robinson. Now, if I do a close-up, I don't know if you can see, it's lots of different layers. It's like a vignette, and it's Alice in Wonderland, which I absolutely love because my husband and I had an Alice in Wonderland themed wedding. And look, she's at the table there and she's feeding the mushroom man. I absolutely love it. He's really famous for this type of thing. You know, I think I picked this up for all of 50 quid at Roy's People Art Fair. So this is what's going to go up. I need to recruit the husband to help me. Although having said that, I probably could do it myself. Equipment needed. So you're going to need your artwork, a tape measure, possibly, a pencil, the command strips, and a spirit level or ruler, or you can get spirit level apps. So what I'm going to try and do is lean on the wall and just roughly mark the height at what I want it at, and then I'm going to use the tape measure and the spirit level to get a more accurate line, and then that should give me the place to put my command strips and also the artwork. So what do we think? About there? So little line at the top, little line at the top. See, I've made myself a corner there. Okay, next bit. So the husband is going to help me just so that I can film, but it's relatively easy to do on your own. So these are the command strips that we love using. Please excuse the mess on our dining room table. So we're going to put them right at the top of the artwork, there, and at the bottom. Yeah, that's it. Peel it off, stick it straight on. And I think should we put another 2 at the bottom? Might be wise. And once these are on, it's just going to be a question of making sure your artwork is in the middle of your wall. So you need to find a center point and then you need to level it. Sometimes you can just do it by eye. That's it. So you hold the artwork like that. Make sure that it's level. So we need to go up on the right, stop, too far, down a bit. Yeah, perfect, level. So grab the pencil, mark your line. Yeah. Mark a line all the way across the top. Ideal. Then you can take it down, take the command strips off and stick it up. Right. So now you just put that on there so it lines up and matches up like that. It's like Velcro. Mm-hmm. That's it. Push it in. You should be able to hear that crackle. Let's see if we can hear that crackle. Oh, that's a very satisfying crackle. So if you know that they're going to stay attached and firm if that crackle happens, because then you know they're really like squashed into each other. So then the strips come off. Ta-da! Ta-da! Genuinely excited to have this up. It's been behind me, which I can only just see in the Zoom room, my Zoom calls, but now it's going to be in front of me on my desk and I'll be able to look at it all the time. Thank you very much, my glamorous assistant. He's got the He should be able to just follow the line, but he has got the thing just in case.
Level. Up on the right, down hard. Yeah, good. Push. Push! Oops, right there, nothing.
Ta-da! Doesn't it look brilliant? Easy peasy pudding and pie.